Hello, welcome to Easy English. So today, me and Easy are going to discuss the cultural differences between Britain and Germany.
Let's go. So number one is the friendliness. Of the British people. I think everyone here is so friendly. I think it's so great that you can go to a supermarket and everybody's like, hi, how are you? Did you have a good day? Or the weather is nice and so on. It's the friendliness, point one. But then number two is the pub culture. And it doesn't mean that this is only about partying and drinking. The opposite a little bit, because in pubs here are there for the community. Point number three is, you're right?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, you're right.
So it is that if you approach somebody, people often say, at least down here in the south, you're right. And which is coming from, are you all right?
Yeah, it's not a question. Yeah, you actually almost, when you write it, you probably wouldn't put a question mark at the end.
Exclamation mark.
Yeah.
You're right?
You're right.
You're right.
Yeah.
You're right.
That's how you return you're right with another you're right.